Alright, let's look at return on equity. This is a real commonly used ratio. And essentially the question becomes, why do stockholders actually invest in a business? And the reason is because they want to get a return on their investment. So they want to be profitable and make some money. So this return on equity is going to allow us to compare different companies to see which one does a better job generating net income with the equity they have invested from their stockholders. Or we can also compare over time how a particular company's ratio is performing. And the way the calculation for the ratio is, it's net income divided by average stockholders' equity. And the average stockholders' equity, you should know by now, is just a real basic, take the beginning balance of stockholders' equity plus the ending balance, and then we divide that by 2. And that's going to give us our overall return on equity. So let's look at an example for a company here. And this is Pembroke Inc. And they have the following data. It says calculate their return on equity for 2012. So let's go first write down that formula so we know what it is. It's net income, or ROE we call it. It's going to be net income divided by that average stockholders' equity. Okay, so net income we can see is right here. It's $131,200. And then we need to divide it by our average stockholders' equity. So we've got equity for 2011, which will be our beginning, and 2012, which will be the ending. So we need to add those two together. So 1570000 plus 1630000, and then we're going to divide that by 2. So if we do that, we should get 131,200 divided by 1,600,000. Okay. And if we go a little bit further, we get 8.20%. So the question becomes, comment on Pembroke's performance during 2012. Well, their return on equity was 8.2%. So basically they were able to generate 8.2% return on the average stockholder's investment. Is that a good number? I don't know. There's a lot of things that go into figuring out. We need to kind of compare that against something else. So compare it against their competition to see how good a job they are at earning return on equity, or what a good average return would be. Or we need to see for this particular company, is that up or down from previous periods? It's really hard to say at this particular point. Obviously a higher number is going to be better.